Did you know how easy it is to create a garden in a jar to give your home a little jungle feeling? Let me show you how I set up this beautiful plant jar. It all starts with a big jar. I first created a drainage layer with some stones to ensure that too much water doesn't collect in the soil. I put a little plastic mesh on top to make sure soil and stones are not mixing up. On the mesh, I place some hydro grains combined with some active charcoal, which can help to avoid mold and rot. I use loose, nutrient-rich soil and mix it with some soil from my garden to get a few wild plants that will probably grow from it. After adjusting the shape of the soil as I wanted, I added a little stone and some driftwood. For this bottle garden, I used a Calathea, a white and a red fittonia, and pole moss as plants. I put all the plants as I liked in the jar. Once you are happy with your setup, it's time to water the plants and clean the jar. Usually I like to close it and put it like this at a bright spot, but this time I decided to leave the jar open. Let us now watch how the plant life develops in a 100 days time lapse that I filmed for my other YouTube channel.